In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on your MacBook, so every link you open automatically goes straight to Chrome. Let's jump right in. Start by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then go to System Settings. Once you're there, scroll down the left sidebar and click on Desktop and Dock. On the right side, keep scrolling until you find the default web browser option. Click on the drop-down next to it, and simply select Google Chrome from the list. That's it. Chrome is now your default browser. From now on, any link you click, whether it's from an email, an app, or a document, will open directly in Chrome. If Chrome doesn't appear in the list, just make sure it's installed and that you've opened it at least once. You might also see a prompt inside Chrome asking to set it as your default. Feel free to confirm it there as well. And that's all it takes. Quick and easy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.